Duplex printing is a feature of some computer printers and multifunction printers that allows the printing of a sheet of paper on both sides automatically. Print devices without this capability can only print on a single side of paper, sometimes called single-sided printing or simplex printing. Collate printing is the action of taking multiple different printed pages and putting them together into a complete set. Collating is most common with the color copies, as the copies can be collated without being bound together. Page orientation is the direction in which document is displayed or printed. The two basic types of page orientation are portrait, vertical, and landscape, horizontal. Most monitors have a landscape display, while most documents are printed in portrait mode. Software functional quality reflects how well it complies with or conforms to a given design based on functional requirements or specifications. That attribute can also be described as the fineness for purpose of a piece of software or how it compares to competitors in the marketplace as worthwhile product. A wired network connection is described as the configuration that involves cables which establish a connection to the Internet and other devices on the network. Universal Serial Bus is an industry standard that establishes specifications for cables, connectors, and protocols for connections, communications, and power supplies between computers, peripherals, and other computers as well. In computing, a serial port is a serial communication interface through which information transfers in or out sequentially, one bit at a time. This is a contrast to a parallel port, which communicates multiple bits simultaneously in parallels. Ethernet is a family of wired computer networking technologies commonly used in local area networks, metropolitan areas networks, and wide area networks. It was commercially introduced in 1980 and first standardized in 1983 as IEEE 802.3. A wireless network is a computer network that uses wireless data connection between network nodes. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distance using UHF radio waves in the ISM bands from 2.402 GHz to 2.48 GHz and building personal area networks. IEEE 802.11 is a part of IEEE 802 set of local area network technical standards and specifies the set of media access control and physical layer protocols for implementing wireless local area network computer communication. In infrastructure mode, all devices on a wireless network communicates with each other through an access point, wireless router. In ad hoc mode, a computer with a wireless network adapter communicates directly with a printer equipped with a wireless printer service. A print server sits on the network and handles printing requests from users. It can spool requests for printers that are busy, allow prioritization of print jobs, and delete jobs after they've been sent. So what does it mean to have a shared device? Shared device mode allows you to configure an Android device so that it can easily share by multiple employees. Employees can sign in and access customer information quickly. Cloud Print Services allows you to print from any web-connected device by routing print jobs between your computer, smartphones, or tablets and send them to an internet-connected printer. So what is local network sharing? A shared network would mean a common Wi-Fi or LAN connection. The same is possible for other folders on the system. By turning on network sharing and allowing certain or restricted rights, These folders can be viewed by other users/computers on the same network, this known as multi-system level. Information privacy is the relationship between the collection and dissemination of data, technology, the public expectation of privacy, and legal and political issues surrounding them. AirPrint is the feature in Apple Inc., macOS, and iOS operating systems for printing without installing printer-specific drivers. Connection is via a wireless LAN, either directly to AirPrint-compatible printers or to non-compatible shared printers by way of a computer running Microsoft, Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. In computer storage, disk buffer is embedded memory in the hard disk drive, acting as a buffer between the rest of the computers and the physical hard disk platter that is used for storage. Modern hard disk drives come with 8 to 256 MB of such memories, and solid-state drive come up to 4 GB of cache memory.